Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is, JJ. You know, we're back at it like adding no react because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys this advice. So it's time. It's that time of the year. You know, every 2 years, and we have to renew our dealer's license here in Oklahoma. Some states are different. Some they renew it. Excuse me, on a yearly basis. Ours is on a 2-year basis. You know. So first things, it ain't really the first thing first. I mean, the renewal application is pretty simple. You know, you just fill it out. It ain't really much to fill out. You know, just checking a couple boxes. All it really asks you is have you moved from your previous location, which, you know, I haven't moved from my previous location. You know, have you added another location? No, we haven't, you know. And then they just want to basically just make sure you send them your insurance. You got to send in your insurance. Make sure it hasn't lapsed. You know, they need your updated bond, and then whatever sales people you gotta fill it out for them. But we're gonna go first things first we gotta go to the Oklahoma Secretary of State. This is where we gotta get our certificate of good standing. You can get either your certificate of good standings, or if you're a franchise, they need your tax returns. But let's go in here. COVID booster clinic. See, Oklahoma Secretary of State. We'll go get our certificate of good standing. Let's do it. Let's go. Pretty easy. Easy. All you do is go into the Secretary of State each year. You know, it costs you $20. It cost me $20.80 because I use my card. But on there, State of Oklahoma Secretary of State, certificate of good standing. Bam. I understand, Secretary of State, Oklahoma City. Further, $1 in the Dream auto sales. We in good standings. Bam, stamp. Man, it's really easy. The renewal process is easy. Don't make it more difficult than what it has to be. You know, it's not. So get the certificate of good standing. Then you need your original bond. So you just call your bond. You call your bond agency. And it's like, hey, I need my original bond. And they're your bond company. It probably cost you about another $25, depending on how quick you want it. If you want to overnight it, if you just want a regular shipping, it'll probably cost you about $7-8. You know, just tell them, hey, I need my original bond. Bam. Then you just tell them. Then you call your insurance, or you should have your insurance with you somewhere. Or if you don't have your insurance, you can tell your insurance, hey, I need a copy of my deck page, and they'll give you a copy of your deck page. But we'll go over the application here in a second while I'm in the car. So let me get to it. So here's the thing. I know y'all see this submit deadline. It says November 21st. Well, they had it going online. We were supposed to be doing everything online, but then they didn't get it done like they supposed to. So they end up sending the paper application. So you have to fill out everything the paper way. And like you see that your dealer tags will not be renewed until all the requirements have been received. You need a renewal application signed and completed to verify all the information. Basically just verifying all your information is correct. Renewal fee of $300 made out to them on a cashier's check. Then $50 fee. You need the original bond or the original bond continuation certificate showing the effective date of 1/1/2 to 2023. Copy of your franchise tax return for the corporation or the certificate of good standing, which is that. You need the certificate of insurance. If your insurance expires or cancels during the month of October, November, or December, you must submit a new certificate. Luckily my insurance expires every March. You know, and then the salesperson certificate. You know, you need to fill salesperson application, license fee, copy of their current driver's license. All applications must right there, and then see if you change locations. Location fee $100, amended certificate of insurance, and this is what the salesperson's license looks like. You know, what the salesperson looks like. You know, your salesperson, they'll fill it out. You know, their name, address, you know, their social, driver's license number. They'll get a copy of their driver's license number, you know, the address, blah, blah, blah. Are you presently registered with the commission? If you're renewal, then more than likely, yes. Have your license ever been revoked? No, blah, 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 boom, 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 sign. and then your employer will sign it, dealer's license number, and then you'll get it notarized. Bam, it's quick and easy, man. It's a simple renewal process. Don't make it hard. Don't make it more difficult than it has to be. You know, all this stuff. Literally, it takes, I say, a day. This is a day worth of work, really. You know, way less. I'll say a couple of days, only because like the certificate of insurance, I'll get that email, and that's gonna get printed off real quick, and your bond, like if I don't know, because you have to send your bond in once to the used car commission, so you never really have the original, so you have to get a copy of the original sent out again. So you have to just pay for that. So that takes about, either I can overnight it, which is going to cost probably like $23, or, you know, but I got time to turn. I mean, they really want the application turned in before December 31st, really. If you don't turn it in before December 31st, then you know, then the price goes up. So instead of $300 to renew it and all that, it's going to be $600 to renew it. So make sure y'all turn that in. And then I'm glad I was able to speak to the guy from the used car commission Wednesday when he was at the auction. So he told me just get it turned in. So that's a good thing about knowing people that work at the used car commission. But you know, if your state, some states might be more stricter, so you might not want to wait last minute. But I've been in business for, you know, 5 years, and I've got things done always the right way and on time. So he's okay. And I actually used to work with the guy that works at the used car commission now, so he know how I am, so, and he know what kind of person I am. So I told him I'm gonna get it taken care of, I'm gonna get it turned in. He said he got me, he gonna look out for it. So that's a good connection they have. So, but appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just wanted to make a simple, quick, easy video on all the stuff you need to renew. Basically the same stuff that you did to sign up with, is just kind of just cheaper to renew it. You know, as long as you, and don't like, I'm gonna tell you, don't be stressing too much. You know, money, yes, you need money to accomplish a lot of stuff, but don't have money being like your main focus of everything. You know, man, enjoy what you do. You're gonna make money, you know, and when opportunity presents itself, don't miss out on that opportunity. You know, that's my thing. Like, I enjoy talking to people, so I enjoy when you guys comment. So I try to comment back to just about everybody, and if I miss you, then I'll always try to get on my computer and respond like later as much as possible, because I want to communicate and talk to as many people as I can. You know, the more people you talk to, that's basically just saying more opportunities. That's just like when I first started selling cars. You know, the more people you get in front of, the more likely you're going to sell the car. You know, if I talk to, you know, 5 people, you know, in one day, then out of those 5, then more likely I'm going to sell at least 1 car. You know, it's just a numbers game. So that's why I enjoy, you know, when you guys comment, I try to touch base with you guys and talk with you guys and see what y'all do for a living, because I never know what y'all do and what y'all doing in y'all state, and what y'all do. We might not have it in my state yet, and it might work, and it might be something I can bring to my state that helps out. And then, you know, it's always good to share information. You know, y'all get information from me, I get information from you, and we just keep passing the information. And that's how we help each other. You know, like each one teach one. You know, but I appreciate you guys. Didn't want the video to drag on too long. I'm doing a walk around at the auction tomorrow. I'm probably be up there a little bit earlier than, you know, like I always do. I'm always up there a little bit early. Because I don't. Oh man, you was speeding, and like people just be speeding for no reason. But like I said, I appreciate you guys. I need to pay attention. I'm out. Peace.